We're smoking. The captain is a fraud pack. Disgusting behavior. Who knew? Absolutely woeful. Disgusting. I actually feel embarrassed. I can't lie. But don't worry, guys. We beat Real Madrid. Really? How's that worked out, lads and lasses and non-binary unicorns? But don't worry, guys. We got to 2 semis. That's about all these virgin Arsenal fans have ever got to a semi. They've never got a full schlong, bro. You know what I'm saying? Absolutely fucking shambolic. Footballing lesson tonight. Disgusting. I don't want to hear nothing about referees. Urian Timber should have been sent off. He didn't even get booked. He should have had 2 yellows. Saka should have had a second yellow. Didn't get booked. Hakimi should have had a second yellow. Didn't get booked. But don't worry, guys. Captain Fantastic. He's made the most fucking forward passes. No, he hasn't. Shut up. He's made the most through balls. I see that. Some bullshit stat. He's made the most through balls in the Premier League. A whopping 15 all season. What a shit footballer. Bless up to over 110,000 people that tuned into the watch along. Kenny Ken will be next. He was at the game. He had to go through that pain. Jez, then Matty, then the emergency meeting. And oh, trust me, it is an emergency. We're playing with 10 men yet again. Our captain is a fraud. And I've been telling you lot for years. But I was negative. I was toxic. Make sure you sub to Lee Reacts. I will actually have that in the title this time because I always forget. I will actually have Lee Reacts in the title. I will be there tomorrow to watch Lamine Yamal and Pedri ball. Proper footballers. I mean, what phase are they in? What phase is Hansi flicking? Proof again, it don't take time. But don't worry, guys. We've got to keep the gimmick going. I mean, arm waves were through the roof. Raya, Martinelli, our captain. Putting snot in his fucking hair again. Fuck off. The first free kick that geezer didn't take. Yeah, and we scored and it was offside. Funny that. Set piece coach. Set piece again, Olay and that. Set piece coach. As soon as we got the last set piece. Zooming in. Even Super Duper Mix had enough of that set piece coach, mate. He told him, go sit back down how you mean. Sit back down how you mean, brother. Sit down. Shut up. Yeah. Our manager looked absolutely clueless tonight. Our captain made 1 pass in 30 minutes of football. I smoke about 20 of these when I'm on fucking camera. Are you mad? Are you mad? I can make more than 1 pass in half an hour. Are you stupid? Are you stupid? That guy's a fraud, bruv. I've been telling everyone for a minute. This guy's a fraud. For 3 years, I've been telling you that captain is a hindrance. Yeah, Saliba today, fair play to you, mate, because you stopped it going 2-0 with that mad tackle. They should have won that game comfortably. The only positive is only 1-0. But now imagine we go out there and it goes 1-0 to the PSG, bruv, to the Parisians. And fair play to them. Listen, they gave us a footballing lesson tonight. Desiree Doué, Cavra, Usman Dembele, I think he's done a hamstring. I think he's going to miss the next leg. Yeah, however, Timber probably should have missed the next leg anyway because he should have been sent off. But I think he's injured as well. We brought on Ethan Nwaneri in stoppage time. The manager's looking at the bench. He's got Kieran Tierney, Zinchenko, Ben White. 4 academy kids, including Ethan, 2 goalkeepers and Raheem Sterling, the fixed bench. But don't worry, guys, we beat Real Madrid. We beat Real Madrid. We've been to 2 semis this season. Let me tell you right now, yeah, I predicted a win. I said 2-0 on my watch along. I said before the game started, I said, I think we'll do this lot 2-0. But if we get any win against this lot, I think we'll go through. That was spineless. Every single one of them was spineless. Yeah, the bar is on the floor with this football club. The goalkeeper, yeah, brother, this goalkeeper worries me, you know. I like him, but the manager's telling him to do what he's doing. So I'm going to give him a break. I'm going to give him a break. However, Saliba was the best of a bad defensive bunch. Declan Rice was the best of a midfield shit show. One-man midfield. Big up Deckers. Big up Saliba. And let's be real. Bukayo Saka didn't really do a great deal, but he was the best of an attacking line. But the bar is literally no bigger than a 4 out of 10. Absolutely embarrassing. Yeah. My chat were telling me, yo, all you can hear is the PSG fans, 2,500 of them. Why? Bring the noise. Bring your boots. Bring your shirts. We need you to kick every ball. The manager jumping around like a prize prat, like a jack in the box. Like a jack in the box playing ball boy. Our captain skipping around. Mikel Merino in midfield. Are you fucking dumb? Sociedad's 3rd best midfielder, mate, playing in midfield. Put that fucking idiot up front. He had 1 chance, 1 opportunity. Would you capture it or let it slip? No, he put it in the back of the net. He was offside. First set piece that Declan Rice took, by the way. Get that captain out this football club. That guy is an absolute scrub. Yeah? TLC settings. I don't want no scrub. A scrub is a... Get out of here, bruv. F this captain. Yeah, that is the first time I've seen Timber this season, yeah? Timber turned into firewood, bruv. Like, real talk. He got chopped down. Chopped up. Like Bonnie Blue, bruv. Lily Phillips FC. And made into firewood. He's lucky he never gave a penalty away. We got out of there with a 1-0 loss. We are lucky we got out of there with a 1-0 loss. Yeah? Yeah, what did we create? Nada. Martinelli, I think he was offside. We'll never know because it never resulted in a goal. Yeah, Trossard, that was Declan Rice taking initiative, driving forward, busting through the lines, pulls. David Coote FC. We're shit. Yeah, that's the last time I predict a fucking win against anyone. I'm not predicting a result anymore. I'm not doing it. I predict a loss against Real Madrid. Oh, you need to apologize, Lee. You said we'd lose to Real Madrid. Yeah, oh, hello. Hello. They've won it 15 times, mate. But you said we'd beat PSG. Cool. Are you all apologizing to me then? Well done. We beat Real Madrid. Don't win this competition. Sack him immediately. We get knocked out next Wednesday in Paris. Leave him and feed him to the fucking Parisian ultras, mate. Leave him there. He adores PSG. He even got shown photos of him when he was in the team with Ronaldinho. Cool. Fuck off, mate. You're a scrub. Yeah. Bin. If he don't make that final and win it, bye-bye. Ta-ta. Adio. Ciao. Betty Alamio de Io de puta por siempre granili polla. Fuck you, mate, yeah? I'm sick to death of sitting here week in, week out going, yo, I actually think we can beat them, you know. Oh, actually, I think we'll get banged by them. Then I get idiots in my chat when we beat Madrid. Oh, you need to apologize. Sound like Harry Kane, yeah, eating crowns. Get out of here, bruv. I predicted a win tonight. Didn't see no mutants in my chat. Where you hiding, lads? Lasses, spastics, where you hiding? Because I'm here again, you know. Kenny's next, by the way. Jez Matty in an emergency meeting. Yeah, I've had it up to fucking here, bruv. Look at I had my hair cut today. Look at me, bruv. I'm bald. I'm going bald, bruv. 21 years ago. I'm 42. That's half my fucking life ago. We won a league. Never seen a champs, bruv. But don't worry, guys. Bring your boots. Yeah, bring your boots, bring your full kit. Yeah, cool, good one, mate. Well done. Didn't fancy the bench tonight then. Ethan, if you're watching this, my G, leave in the summer. Leave. Leave, Ethan. Get out while you can, my guy. Go and have a career somewhere else. This manager is a see you next Tuesday. And on that bombshell, we're out. Adio, ciao. Bye-bye.